I've been on a journey for 40 some years learning who God the Father really is. And I know I'm not going to finish learning until I'm united with Him in heaven, but I've learned a lot. And I share that with you in this book, 30 Days to the Father's Heart. This is jam-packed with aha moments, insights on what we think God is like and why He's not that way, and what He's really like, and how to untangle God the Father from our human perceptions of limited human authority figures, fathers and other authority figures. It also has spiritual exercises to help drive these points home. If you take this book and go through all the exercises, go through all the days, just 30 days, you will have an entirely different relationship with God the Father, totally wonderful, realizing that He is your doting daddy.